Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to download Webtoon in your mobile. Now let us begin. In context that you are using the Android, simply open up the Play Store, or else if you are using the iOS, open up the App Store. Right now all I'm gonna do is simply search for Webtoon from right here. As you guys can see, I have typed it. Now all I'm gonna do is search for it. And this right here is the thing that I wish to install, Webtoon. Do note that you can directly install it by clicking on this install button, but in context that you want more detailed information regarding this application, simply click on the app icon. And guys, this is it. From here you can rate the app, look at the reviews, and also look at the data safety and other features. But right now all you want to do is install it, so I'm simply gonna click on install. And guys, that is it. As you guys can see, the application is being installed. But do note that it might take some time depending upon your internet speed. Well guys, that is it. That's how we install Webtoon on your mobile device. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.